All right, so IPTV Smarters Pro keeps crashing on your Firestick. I've got 3 fixes that'll get you back to streaming in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. This has stopped error is super annoying, I know. It usually happens because of corrupted data, DNS issues, or sometimes your internet provider blocking things. But don't worry, these fixes are pretty straightforward. Fix number 1, restart your Firestick. And I mean actually unplug your Fire TV stick from the power, not just hitting the power button on your remote. Pull it out, wait about 2 minutes, then plug it back in. This clears out all the temporary junk that builds up and causes apps to crash. Give it a shot and see if Smarters Pro opens now. If not, no worries, we've got more options. Fix number 2, clear cache and data. Okay, next up, we're going to clear the app's cache and data. This one fixes it for most people because corrupted files are usually the problem. Here's what you do. Go to Settings on your Firestick, then hit Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down until you find IPTV Smarters Pro. Click on it and you'll see Clear Cache, do that first, then hit Clear Data right after. Now heads up, when you clear data, it's going to wipe your login info, so make sure you've got your username, password, and playlist URL handy because you'll need to enter them again. Open the app, log back in, and you should be good to go. Fix number 3, reinstall the app plus services. All right, time to do a fresh install of the whole app. Go back to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, find IPTV Smarters Pro, and hit Uninstall. Now grab the Downloader app if you don't have it already. You can get it from the Amazon App Store. Open Downloader, type in ipvsmarters.com, and it'll take you straight to the download page. Install the app and log in with your info. A fresh install usually sorts out any weird bugs or corrupted files from the old version. Now, if you've tried all 3 of these fixes and Smarters Pro is still giving you trouble, or if you're just tired of dealing with constant issues, we actually provide reliable streaming services that work smoothly on Firestick and all your devices. We're a legitimate service with real support. No more crashes, no more headaches. Contact info is down in the description if you're interested. Here's a bonus tip. If you're in the UK or somewhere your internet provider blocks things, you might need a VPN. Some ISPs actively block certain services, which can make apps like Smarters crash or just not work at all. Grab a VPN from the Amazon App Store, connect to a server, and that should sort it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For reliable streaming services with zero hassle, check the description below. Catch you in the next video.